Guys, in this video, we will discuss about some MCQ on multivariable calculus. As you know that this year MACOUT is going to conduct the semester exam in online mode, and also the question pattern is MCQ. And here I will discuss about some multivariable calculus, the MCQ of some problems on multivariable calculus. So here I just take some question here, that what is the first question, that if f is equal to log of x cube plus y cube, then find the value of f of x at 1, 1. So here you have to know that what is fx. Fx means you have to find here the partial derivative of the function with respect to x. And as we know that if we want to find the partial derivative of this function, that is del m del x is equal to, we know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here we can find by using the derivative formula, that is 1 by x cube plus y cube into 3x square. So here we can easily find this is the value where the del m del x is known as is given. We find the del m del x is 3x square by x cube plus y cube, and here we have to find the value of this del m del x at 1, 1. That means here we have to put in place of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So here we will get the value is 3 by 2. And here the option C is correct. And also you have to remind that from this question, that also the question maker also you can ask the find the fy. Fy matlab you have to find the del f del y. So similarly, if you try del f del y, that will be also same, that is 1 by x cube plus y cube into 3y square. So that will be 3y square by x cube plus y cube. So now if now you have to just find that at which point you have to find the value, that is if you have to find it at 1, 1, so this value will be also same, 3 by 2. So I think this problem is clear to you. So now I am going to the another problem on the multivariable calculus. This is from the topic this is from the topic the Euler's theorem. That what is the question, that if uxy is a homogeneous function of degree 2, then x ux plus y uy is equal to k u xy, then we have to find the value of k. These four options are given. Here there are some here we have to know first the statements of Euler's theorem, that if we say that if u is a homogeneous function of degree n, then we can say x del u del x plus y del u del y is equal to nu, where n is the degree of the homogeneous function. So first of all, there is a question that how can we say a function, a bivariate function, a multivariate function is homogeneous? I will discuss it on the later. But here we can solve this problem by using this statement. See here, if you compare this, here ux matlab del u del x and uy is equal to del u del y. Okay, actually del u del x and del u del y is denoted by ux and uy respectively. So if you consider compare this equation with this equation, and see here the given that uxy is a homogeneous function of degree 2. So now we can easily say that x del u del x plus y del u del y is equal to 2u. And here if you compare this equation with this equation, you can easily say the value of k is equal to 2. So option B is correct. Now I am going to some another questions on this part. That is here, this question here we take that if fxy is equal to x square plus y square, then we have to find fxy at x comma y. If xy means you have to find del 2f del x del y. That means first we have to find fy, that means del f del y, then fxy, that is del 2f del x del y. And similarly we can find also the fyx. Fyx is equal to del 2f del y del x. That means first we have to find the del f del x, then we have to find the partial derivative of this function with respect to y, that is the del 2f del y del x. So here this is the given question, that is f of xy is equal to x square plus y square. Then we have to find fxy x plus y. That means we have to find del 2f del x del y. So, and also you have to remind that this fxy is not equal to fyx in general. This is also an MCQ for you, that in the question they can ask that fxy is equal to fyx. This is always true or always false. This is always true or false. So you have to click on the false option, because we can take various various function f where fxy is not equal to fyx. So here we have to find that fxy is equal to x square y square. That means, and we have to find fxy. So first of all we have to find the del f del y, that is 2y. And now if we partially derivative with respect to x, then we can say that the value is 0, because when we partially differentiate with respect to x, we will treat y as constant, and also the vice versa is true. That means when we partially derivative with respect to x, we partially derivative with respect to y, we treat x as constant. So here we can say that option B is correct. Now there is another one question. This is that if u plus v is equal to x and uv is equal to y, then del xy del uv. Actually this is the very important portion in your syllabus, and this term, this is the known as the Jacobian. So now we will discuss two problems on Jacobian. So basically we can write that del xy del uv is equal to, we can write 2 cross 2 determinant, that is del x del u, del x del v, and del y del u, and del y del v. So here we have to just find the Jacobian or this determinant, and here see you that given that u plus v is equal to x and uv is equal to y, then we have to find del xy del uv. So del xy del uv means we can write del x del u, del x del v, del y del u, and del y del v. So from the given data we can easily find del x del u, del x del v, del y del u, and del y del v. So del x del u means 1, del x del v 1, and from the given another relation uv is equal to y, from here we can write del y del u is equal to v, and del y del v is equal to v. So now if we put all those value here, what we get? 1 1 v and u, and we get, if we simplify it, we get u minus v. So we can easily see here that the option A is correct. Now I will go to the another question on Jacobian, that if x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, then we have to find del r theta del xy. So del r theta del xy mean we can write del r del x, del r del y, del theta del x, and del theta del y. So now you can see that we cannot easily find from this given relation. So how can we find it? So here we will use one property of Jacobian. The property of the Jacobian is here, that is we can write the del r theta del xy into del xy del r theta is equal to 1. So from, if you see that this relation, we can easily find this Jacobian. So, and we can write that del xy del r theta is equal to del x del r, del x del theta, del y del r, and del y del theta. So from here we can write that cos theta, and we know that del x del r is equal to cos theta, del y del x del theta is equal to minus r sin theta, del y del r is equal to sin theta, and del y del theta is equal to r cos theta. And if we simplify it, we will get r. And now if we put the value of this Jacobian in this relation, we can say that del r theta del xy is equal to 1 by r, and here we can say that the option D is correct. Now here another question is coming to the point, that is we have to check that if f is equal to x cube plus x square y square plus y cube, then we have to check that fxy is equal to fyx, it is true or false. So similarly we have to find that fxy is equal to del t of del xy. That means first we have to find the del f del y of this function, then we have to partially derivative with respect to x, and similarly for del t of del yx. And now if we calculate it, we can say that del f del y is 2x square y plus 3y square, and then if we partially again derivative, we will get 4xy, and similarly here we will get fx is equal to 3x square plus 2y square, and similarly if we differentiate with respect to y, we will get 4xy. And see here that del 2 of del xy is equal to del 2 of del y del x. So here we can say this option is true, but you have to remind that for different function that for there are so many functions for which that fxy is not equal to f of yx, fy, sorry. So this is not always true. This is true for sometime, or sometime it depends on the function. So now I will go to the another one problem, which is also depend on that how can we that the Euler's theorem. Here we will take that if we take that if u is equal to x by y plus y by x, then we have to find x del u del x plus y del u del y. Okay, so now first of all we have to check that how can we find a function is homogeneous. Suppose if we consider a function u is equal to, here we can write that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So from here we can write it in this format, x square into a plus 2h y by x plus b into y square by x square. So from here we can write it, this is x square into phi of y by x. And also we can write it from here that if we take y square common from here, that we can write a into x square by y square plus 2h x by y plus b. So from here we can also write y square into psi of x by y. Okay, so we can say that this function is homogeneous of degree 2. This is also homogeneous function of degree 2. That means we have to represent a function either in this format, x to the power n phi of y by x, or y to the power n psi of x by y, and where this n are known as the degree of the function. So now let us try to find from this equation that first we will try that given that u is equal to x by y plus y by x. So if we simplify, we will get x square plus y square by xy. And now see here from here that we can say that x square into 1 plus y by x whole square plus x square into y by x. So from here we can write this, that this x square and this x square is cancelled out, and also this only give 1 plus y by x whole square divided by y by x. And this is also a function of, we can write this is as phi of y by x, and we can write it that x to the power 0 into phi of y by x. So here we can say that the degree is 0. And if the degree is 0, then we can say that by Euler's theorem that x del u del x plus y del u del y is equal to nf, where n is equal to 0, so 0 into u, that is the answer is 0. That is x del u del x plus y del u del y is equal to 0. So we can say that the option C is correct. And now I am going to the last question, which is also on the Euler's theorem, that is fxy is equal to tan of y by x, then x del m del x plus y del m del y. This is very simple problem, that fxy is equal to tan y by x. So we can write it that x to the power 0 tan of y by x, and from here we can easily say that by Euler's theorem we can write x del f del x plus y del f del y is equal to 0 into tan y by x, or this equal to 0. And here also the option C is correct. So I hope you understand all the MCQs, and if you follow this video thoroughly, that some concepts of MCQ, some concept of multivariable calculus is also clear to you. So thank you.